Did that look cool enough?
Looked like you didn't really mean to do it.
There's pedestrians on the right.
Right.
Aye,
Just look down to your right hander to figure it out.
I was trying to work out, should I say they're left or am I right?
Hand down.
Oh, jump.
Oh, she's slipping.
Yeah.
Gordon's down. Gordon's down. Takes you like son.
Don't stop there.
Dab.
I was getting the gate.
I'll let you off then. Oh, fucking hell, you bet that.
Right, gal. I thought if I didn't stop to get the gate.
Fair enough.
Did you not notice me stopped at the gate getting it?
Who opened it?
Gordon, Barry did, and I was stood there letting you through so I could shut the gate.
Oh, well, I was thinking.
Oh, go ahead. I don't have to clean and all. Where are you going?
I don't know, just wherever the bike
I was trying to pick a line, but watching you going to fucking bushes at the time.
It worked though. Whatever line it was, it worked.
You got up.
Oh, we got that.
Deliberately let you absolutely soak with her, Michael, just for the footage.
Did you? I'm gonna put that in then. Did you see my epic wheelie that I did on purpose, by the way?
I got soaked.
Yeah, but did you see the wheelie?
No.
Oh, man.
There, get in.
Right then, little Langdale. You guys ready?
Fucking bastard! You fucking little bastard!